Okay guys, so in today's video we're solving a SecIO Power tap quiz for today. So the first question is Web3 and gaming, how blockchain is changing games. Now number one is what is one goal of Web3 gaming? So there is the answer. Giving players more control, ownership of their assets. If you are seeing my channel for the first time, please ensure you subscribe. Let me know where you are watching from and drop me a thank you in the comment section, because I always post the quiz answer daily for you. So the next question is, how does Web3 gaming impact in-game economies? Now the answer is this: it creates player-driven economies with real-world value. Then the last one is, what can players do with their assets in Web3 games? And this is it: trade or sell them with other players. So now that's it. The next thing for us to do is to tap on what check. So now this is it, guys. So quickly we tap on check, and that is it. See, we got it correctly. The next thing for us to do is to tap on